Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Skhosana and I'm the founder of TOCA Essentials. TOCA Essentials is an agro-processing business where we work with indigenous herbs, including cannabis, devil's claw, African potato, and much, much more. How we founded the business, it was founded during the COVID era where I used to create wellness packs for friends and family. So whether they had issues with their flus or issues with their body aches and everything, I used to create care packs until they started saying, no, I should actually charge them for that. Hence why TOCA Essentials was born. We are based in Tsakane. We manufacture these products from Tsakane, and they're available on all our social media platforms. We are found as TOCA Essentials on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook as well, and we're available on WhatsApp. So when you call us on WhatsApp 073-093-6567, you can find our WhatsApp catalog. You can even scan this QR code right here. It will take you directly to our WhatsApp and you're able to contact us and speak with us directly, and then we can actually recommend which products you can use, whether it is from our CBD oil to our beard oil to our black seed oil range. They have the product right for you. My name is Lebu and I am a Township Entrepreneur.